In this video, we're going to explain the stock stereo in your Toyota 4Runner. When you understand how the system is configured from Toyota, it makes upgrading the audio much easier and quicker. So here you can see we're looking at a bird's eye view of how your system is wired up in your Toyota 4Runner. We'll start from the front dash speakers and work all the way to the back and explain how everything is tied together. Alright, so starting with the dash speakers / tweeters, these are wired in a parallel setup, parallel circuit. What this means basically is that the wiring is coming from the stereo head unit to the tweeter, and then from your tweeters, or dash speakers I should say, to the door speakers. Here you can see the door speakers sort of resemble a 6 by 9 inch speaker. If you remove this 6 by 9 inch speaker, the tweeter on the dash will continue to work. However, if you remove the tweeter, the door speaker will stop working. This poses a little bit of a challenge while you're upgrading your speaker. In subsequent videos, we're going to show you how our plug and play system makes installing our component speakers. It's a true component set, fast and easy. You're going to get the best sound quality possible and still be able to use your stock wiring. Alright, so next we're looking at the rear door speaker and the rear hatch speaker. Here you can see the speakers sort of resemble a 6.5 inch speaker. You'll notice that the rear door speaker, and now looking at the rear hatch door speaker, the speakers look pretty much the same. This is because they are the same speaker because they're run in a series circuit. This means that the positive wire is running from the stock stereo to the rear door speaker, and then from the rear door speaker to the hatch speaker, and then back to the stereo. If you remove either the rear door speaker or the rear hatch speaker, both speakers will stop working. In subsequent videos, we'll show you our plug and play speakers that are direct replacements. In addition, they'll provide the proper impedance / load to your new amplifier. Speaking of amplifiers, be sure to check out our different amplifier options along with our 4Runner direct integration system. Our 4Runner direct integration system is designed to work with your stock Toyota stereo or an aftermarket head unit. In addition to our 4Runner direct amplifier integration system, we also offer plug and play harness solutions that allow you to utilize high-end component speakers in the front door / dashboard of your Toyota 4Runner. Our component speakers include a crossover network that acts like an air traffic controller. It directs the correct audio frequencies to your tweeters and door speakers. A true component speaker set will produce amazing clarity at all listening levels. Our installation diagrams and videos make the installation process quick and easy. No audio system is complete without a properly tuned subwoofer enclosure. Our subwoofer enclosures are designed to take as little cargo room as possible, but provide the deep, rich bass that our customers have come to expect. Our full-size 12-inch ported subwoofer enclosure was designed specifically for your Toyota 4Runner. For the absolute best sound possible, our enclosures are manufactured from fiberglass and engineered wood to provide amazing quality bass. While you're here, be sure to subscribe on YouTube, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and Twitter.